My name is Dwan Kelsey, and I'm a nurse practitioner with Well Life, a diabetes clinic and educational resource center located in Raleigh, North Carolina, and we will be discussing how to cook healthy. When one is trying to make healthy meals and cook healthy at home, I think the first thing that has to happen is that patient or that family has to think about things that is suitable for them, what will work for them. And for a lot of people, that's a crock pot meal. For a lot of people, that may be a pressure cooker. For some families, it could just be typically just making a regular meal. But when you start to cook healthy, it actually begins at home. And it begins with a shopping list. And on that shopping list, you have to put things on that list that you're going to go to the grocery store that are healthy things. Like, you want most of your basket to consist of fruits and vegetables. So you want most of your basket when you go into the grocery store to be about 60% full of the produce in the produce department. And then you want to stay around the perimeter of the store. So when we start to cook healthy, we got to start shopping a little healthier because we can't cook what's not in the kitchen. So when we teach patients on how to cook healthy, we got to teach them what works for your house and then what foods. And those foods should consist of fruits, vegetables, either fresh or frozen. You can stay with the meat department for your protein, but you want to stay away from canned foods. You want to stay away from processed foods, anything in a box, anything in a can, anything that's microwavable. And you want to stay away from foods that are very high in sugar or very high carbohydrate foods, like anything that is white, like white flour, white bread, those types of things. That was basic information. Make sure to consult with your healthcare provider.